Mark the footprint location. Prepare the surface using a grinder with a 30 or 60 grit pad. Be sure to remove all paint and primer to bare steel. Ensure you clean the surface thoroughly using acetone and a clean rag. Remove dust, debris, oil and any contaminants. If the surface is contaminated, repeat from the sanding step. Clean the footprint as well. Dust and oil will reduce the bond integrity. If bonding to aluminium, there is a 15-minute window between grinding and epoxy bonding due to the oxide layer forming rapidly. Mix equal amounts of Part A and B epoxy thoroughly and evenly. Prepare masking tape for holding the footprint during epoxy curing time. Apply an even 2 to 3 mm amount of epoxy to the rear of the footprint, ensuring none gets onto the front face or thread. Applying even pressure, push the footprint into the desired location until all edges show epoxy contact. Avoid excessive pushing as we want around 1 mm of epoxy between the surfaces. Tape it in place. After curing 24 hours, remove the tape and continue the installation. Check and clean both the footprint and the transducer face before mounting. Ensure both surfaces are clean and clear. Likely the most important step in the process is application of the transducer gasket material Loctite 515. The Loctite is a gasket, so it goes on the face of the transducer like this. It does not go on the thread at all. Apply a small amount and then spread it evenly across the face as shown. Just to be sure, the Loctite 515 goes evenly on the face of the transducer. Remember, it is a gasket material. It doesn't go anywhere else. It's time to screw the transducer into the mounting footprint. Do this as tight as possible by hand. Leave the Loctite 515 for 24 hours to cure. You can paint the bare steel and carry on with the rest of the install. Congratulations! We've just correctly installed the ENVSonic Transducer for maximum acoustic ultrasonication energy throughput, reliable adhesion and ultimate protection.